Hello students, let us start today's video with a new paragraph. Yesterday we discussed about the invitation that Mathilde's husband received, and when he showed that invitation to Mathilde, she was not happy with that. The reason behind that was she did not have a very good dress, and that's why she was not happy with that. And finally, after yesterday we already discussed all these things. Then she asked for the new dress, and the husband asked how much the new dress cost. Now let us start. I'm on page number 19. She thought for a moment, computing the cost and almost wondering what amount she would ask for without an immediate refusal. At last she answered hesitantly, I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs. Then the husband asked, okay Mathilde, I'm ready to give money to buy a new dress to you so that we can go to the party. And he asked, how much money you want? And Mathilde was very smart. As her husband asked the money, she started computing, or she started calculating the money, that how much money she will require for getting a good dress. And for example, she started calculating the cloth cost this much, the sewing cost this much, the buttons, the lace, the whatever things would be there. And after calculating everything, hesitantly she replied, okay, before that, one more thing is given, while calculating all that thing, one thing she kept in her mind. And what was that? She kept that she should not tell such an amount, so that her husband refused. No, I cannot give you this much of amount. Okay, so she was very smart. So with that cautiousness, she calculated all the amount, and finally hesitatingly she told the amount. Why hesitatingly she told the amount? Because the amount was a bit big. And how was that? What was that amount? It was 400 francs. How much? 400 francs. You can imagine how much 400 francs, in today's currency, if we calculate that, or in today's currency, if we will see that in Indian currency, means I want to say, it cost around 32,000 something. Understood? And this is the story around written in around 1940-50 somewhere during that time. So you can understand, during that time the cost of 400 francs means how much. And that's why hesitatingly she told her husband that I want 400 francs. As the husband heard, what happened? He turned pale, little pale. And as he heard 400 francs, he felt, her face become pale, peela pad jana, like, because he had been saving the exact extra amount to buy a gun for a hunting summer in the country near Nanterre with a few friends. However, he said, very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get a really beautiful dress. So that has in previous video I told you, her husband was very good actually. And as she told, so he was not happy with that amount actually, but still he said, okay, no problem Mathilde, I am ready to give you 400 francs, but see a very good dress, because I had saved that amount 400 francs to buy a hunting gun, so that I can go with my friends on hunting in the nearby country jungle, Nanterre, some place maybe. In that place I could go and I can hunt there. Okay, I saved that amount for this purpose, and you are asking for that money, and I'm ready to give that, but see, that dress should be good. It should not happen that later you will say, no, this is also not good, now I want one more dress. It should not happen. And that's why he said like that. But anyway, he was ready to give that amount. Means finally Mathilde is going to get a dress. The day of the party drew near, and Madame Loisel seemed sad restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. Now what happened? The husband gave the money also. She gave the dress to the teller also for sewing, or from wherever she was buying or whatever she was doing. But still, Madame Loisel is a method only. She seemed restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. Why? Okay, the reason is given. Now see what happened. In spite of giving everything, as the day of the party was coming, 18 Jan was coming near, she was getting anxious. She was getting restless. Reason don't know. Now reason is given. Everything one evening, her husband said to her, "What's the matter? You have been acting so strange these last 3 days." And after observing for 1 2 3 4 some days, finally the husband asked ki, Methody, you demanded for the dress and I gave money to you, 400 francs I gave you, but what I'm seeing from last 2 3 days, I'm seeing that you are not happy, you are looking anxious, you're looking restless. What is the reason behind that? Did you not bought the dress? So she said, yes, I bought the dress, but the reason was something. What was the reason? Now see, she replied, I'm upset that I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear. I would rather not go to the party. Now the new thing. She said, yes, you gave money to buy a dress or see a dress. I bought that. But what I will do with the dress? Because I don't have a single jewel to wear on that. And that's why I will not go to the party. And bichara, that husband, actually why he gave that 400 francs, so that he can go to the party along with his wife. That if you will read this entire story, this is a summary of the story actually. That was a ballet dance or party in which couples goes, means alone cannot go, in which generally you might have seen in some of the movies, they goes, then they dance, they have dinner also, and then they come back. That kind of party it was. And now she is saying, because I don't have jewel, I will not go to the party. Now what will happen? You could wear flowers. He said they are very fashionable at this time of the year. She was not convinced. The next day she went, okay. Now what happened after that? The husband tried to convince her, ki, Methody, see, you can wear anything. Now we don't have money to buy jewel. From where I will bring money to get jewel for you? So what you can do, you can wear flowers. Flowers may be a kind of jewelry like things, maybe something. So you can wear that. And these things are very fashionable nowadays. Every women's are wearing that. You to wear that, and let us go to the party as if you are very beautiful. You look beautiful on that. But still, she was not convinced with any of the excuses or any of the reasons given by the husband. Okay. And finally she was on the stand that I will not go to the party. Now what will happen? So what will happen, we'll see in the next video. Okay, thank you.